hit, first making landfall in the Key and ripping off the roof of 300 hotels in Florida tonight. The storm making its first U.S. landfall in Pajuca.
All of them were destroyed, completely destroyed, except one.
Can you imagine coming home and finding all of your family's possessions just ripped away in a matter of moments, leaving you just to sift through whatever's left? Well, at Palm Harbor Homes, more home for your money doesn't just mean price per square foot. It means security. It means protecting your family. Your family is important to us as it is to you.
Doors, and I don't want to get emotional because we walked in and there was no damage.
Not even wet carpet.
No damage
Carpet
at
wasn't
all.
wet or anything.
We just said, "Thank you, Lord."
There were tears.
There was tears. There was tears.
Homes are designed to maximize your wind zone protection, your energy efficiency, and your overall structural strength. We far exceed the state and federal requirements.
Most builders use nails and screws. Here at Palm Harbor, we use a third in industrial adhesives. Our homes are built better and stronger.
Our assemblies combine the industrial adhesives with the nails and the screws and put it all together with the galvanized steel straps to protect your house from strong winds.
Cyclone builders only sheathe part of your exterior. Here at Palm Harbor, we sheathe through the floors and the wall.
We permanently attach all of our manufactured and modular homes to your foundation, and that is how we weather the storm.
Since 1979, over 100,000 families have trusted Palm Harbor with their homes.
More home and more peace of mind for your money.
So please just make the best choice for you and your family and come to Palm Harbor Homes here in Tomball, where you will find your forever home.